my name is Singhao from Carpenters Design Group, and this is my partner Chris. Today we are going to talk about our design at Resale HDB at Jurong West. So the first thing when we visited the site is we realized the customer has a really very long stretch of living room.
We propose a darker tone of full-height cabinet with TV console and feature wall. This wall that has marble design creates a contrast with full-height cabinet to match the existing floor tiles. This achieves a cozy concept that my homeowners want.
Walking in from the living area, in order to have the sense of continuity from the living room, we have a full-height cabinet with a tic-tac door that hides up the access of the boom shelter. On the other side of the cabinet, we have a clear glass that reflects the interior of the study area. Don't have to worry about the kids when they are inside the room, as my homeowner can always see from the outside.
Overall, we like the living room a lot because it's really big. I mean, the entire family can really chill together in the living room. I mean, it's really heartwarming lah.
Okay, I guess that's all about today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye!